I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
Watch this video to learn how to create a quote from a sales invoice with similar details to save time on admin tasks. Click Sales, then select Invoices. Use the Search button or scroll to find the invoice you want to copy and click to open it. Click the menu icon, then select Copy to Draft Quote. Xero creates a new draft quote with the details from your original invoice. Review and make any necessary changes to the quote. Then, click Save to save your new quote as a draft, or Send to email it to the customer. You can combine multiple invoices into one new quote. From the Invoices page, select the status of the invoices you want to copy, like awaiting payment. You can't copy invoices from the All tab. Select the checkbox next to each invoice you want to include in your new quote. If invoice reminders are on, you'll see a More button where you can choose Copy To. If invoice reminders are off, click Copy To. Then choose Quote. To add an optional contact, type the name in the field. Then select them from the list. You'll need to add a contact in the quote if you don't enter one here. Click Copy or Copy and Merge to create the quote. Review and update the details as needed. Then click Save to return to the quote later, or Send to email the quote to the customer. Now you can create quotes from sales invoices without needing to re-enter the same information.